Happy holidays, my dear friends! I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna create this holiday spirit Paracord bracelet. We're gonna use the gold microcord, the longer piece, and the two shorter pieces of a gold microcord as well. Here we have the shorter piece of a red Paracord 550 and the two equal strands of red and the green Paracord 550 as well. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So we're gonna start, we're gonna gut this red and the green, so we're gonna cut off and pull the inner strands of a cord. You can use later these strands for anything you need, so make a knot on the end and on this one as well and store it somewhere. Now, when we got our cords, we're gonna join them together, so take the ends, take your lighter or torch, melt the ends down, and then join them. Now from here, we're gonna take our red strand, the shorter one. We're not gonna gut this. It will be the Paracord 550. And now we're gonna take our shorter piece of a gold microcord. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. And from here we're gonna find the center of our gold microcord. So it's about here. We're gonna place it and pinch it with our index finger. And here we're gonna basically create the Cobra knot or a Solomon weave. So we're gonna lock our loop where we're gonna on the end pass our stop knot of our today's project bracelet. Now from here we're gonna take our shell of Paracord 550 that we got it earlier, and then we're gonna place it on the back and we're gonna start with our weaves. So take the green, place it on top of these two strands or core strands, and under and to the side. And with the red one, we're gonna place it on top of the greens, around and from the back. We're gonna pull it through this loop here, the red loop. So take it and from the back pull it through the red loop, like so. And now we're gonna tie it this red strand, so pull it all the way. And then we're gonna take this green a bit, pull it also. Pay attention to your strands, there needs to be flat and even. So now from here, I'm gonna zoom a bit more. We're gonna take our red strand again and we're gonna pass it under the green one. So under, on top of the core strands, around, and from the back we're gonna pass it again through the green loop. Like so. And then we're gonna pull the green to tie it. By finishing this, we created our first weave. Now we're gonna proceed, take the green, pass it through the red loop, on top of the core strands, these two red cord, and then around, and also from the back through the loop of the red strand. Now we're gonna tie the red one, so pull it. Again, pay attention, it needs to be flat, like so. Now again with the red, through the green, on top of the core strands, around, and then from the back under the core strands and through the loop of a green cord. Now we're gonna pull the green to tie it. And we're gonna repeat these steps all the way down. So take the green, through the loop of the red strand, on top of the core strands, around them, and from the back again through the loop of the red. Pull the red to tie it. Again, pay attention to the strands. Make them flat like this. So now when we reach our desired length of a bracelet, we're gonna start with the diamond stop knot, but before that we're gonna measure, and as you can see this will be enough. Okay, now simply pull the green cord or a green strand and the red one to cinch it. Now we're gonna cut off those two strands and proceed to make our stop knot. So from here we're going to create our basic diamond stop knot. Pull the cords between your finger, then with the right strand twisted like this, create a loop and place it on this strand here. With this strand we're gonna pass it under this one, and then from the top under the strand in the loop. Let me just zoom a bit. Okay, I'm gonna take this feed and pull it a bit on top. Now pass it through like so, and as you can see we created a shape looking like a pretzel. Now from here take this strand here, the left one, place it next to this right strand, and then pull it through the middle here. Like so. Then take this strand, place it next to this one on the outer side, and again pull it through the middle next to this strand here. As simple as that. Now we're gonna pull it to cinch our diamond knot, and now we're gonna rearrange a bit. So now, when we finished our diamond knot, we're gonna take our second shorter strand of gold microcord, and we're gonna create again the Cobra knot on this end here. So pinch it with the index finger from the back, take the right strand, place it on top of the red strands, and with the left gold on top of the right one, then under, around, and through the loop here. So here we are, we reached the end of our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!